What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So yes, I have another unboxing today. This one's from CJRB, so I am breaking my rules. I do own CJRB knives, but I had to bend the rules because I needed to get this like ASAP. It's $69.99, so it's still budget friendly. I mean, there's that, but this one's for me. Anyways, I wanted to share it with you guys. Yes, it's the double tap. It's the monster, the beast that everybody's been messing with. I just wanted to have one in my hands just so I can see and feel it for myself. And here it is. So yeah, like I said, I got this $69.99 on Amazon. I'll drop a link for you guys. And if you guys have this, leave comments, man. I want to hear what you think of it because I'm about to get into it, man. I already pre-cut it, so I don't mess around. And oh, geez, look at that thing. What else is in here? Who cares? Rag, great. Some silica gel, great. Get out of here. Here he is. And there she blows. Okay. Yeah, right off the bat, this is a monster. They weren't joking around. I'm not going to go through all the specs on this thing. You guys have probably heard it a million times from all these other smart guys, but I'm just here to play. So without further ado, scale. Oh man, these scales feel so nice. Well, if you guys watched my previous video with that hot turd from Bros Blades, sorry Bros Blades if you're watching, I doubt you are, but that knife sucks. Like I said, I'm going to give it a fair trial, but initial impression, that thing's garbage. Anyways, I told you I'm going to be honest with you guys, so here it is. Anyway. So far, this one does not feel like garbage. It feels, oof, nice. Let's do that one more time. I'm going to try this recoil lock. Nope. Right down. One more. I doubt I can reverse flick this thing. It's guess not. Let's look at this blade. Holy fat boy. Look at this. All right. So that's a big belly blade there. Nice and sliceroonie. Holy crud. That blade is nice and sharp out of the box. Big old CJRB there. Thumb studs are just monsters. Look at them. That's pretty cool. The anodization is real nice. That kind of deep orange color. And it goes pretty well with it definitely goes with the black. I'm not sure about how I feel with the tan and the orange, but I don't know. It can give you like an emergency, tactical, whatnot feel. It does say it's tactical. What tactics? I don't know, but this is a monster. Let's feel the ergos real quick while I have it open. And yep, like I said, big dumb hand, so it actually fits perfectly in my hand. So for me, this could be an everyday carry. Might make my pants fall down because it's kind of heavy, but yeah, I like the way that feels though. Really good ergos for a big knife like this. Neat. I'm sorry, I'm getting into it, but all right, look at the other side. What we got there? Just a little, look like a part number and a little D2 there. Let's try the other lock. All right, that's nice. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just kind of lost in it right now, but like I said, scales feel real good. Yeah, definitely got some. Yeah, check them out. Yep, definitely got some good texture on there. There, like I was saying, there's your what do they call it? Oh, recoil lock. Sorry, the recoil lock. It's got a little jimping on there. Little backspacer with a lanyard hole, bright orange, a little brighter than the thumb studs in the pivot, but nice G10 spacer. Let's flip her around. All right, nice clip. Nice big clip. Pretty tight. Not going to be a deep carry, and it's not going to be reversible. So lefties, sorry. But you'll make do. You'll be all right. So it's, like I said, it's not really a deep carry. About a quarter inch out of pocket. So you'll see this little orange or whatever color you guys decide to go with. I was torn between this and the grayish blue one, but I'm kind of happy I went with this one. I like the color. But I tell you what, if something ever breaks in my house, I could save a couple bucks on freedom seeds because I could just throw this chunk right at their head and probably knock them the hell out. But good stuff. Comparison. What do I have that's a monster? I think I've shown this one before, but let's get my XL Corvette out. There it is. And for size comparison, it's very, very comparable. I'll slide that up a little bit so you get the old lightning strike titanium in there. But yeah, size wise, very, very similar. I want to say weight wise, very similar. Ergos, if you guys have handled one of these before, the ergos, you got to have really big hands for the ergos to make sense on this. And they're kind of good for me, but this one here, right on time, dude. Seriously, I'm liking it. I have nothing bad to say about this so far. As far as, like I was saying, everyday carry, it's a little heavy. but I think I'm gonna carry it around anyways because that's that's what I want to do. Anyway, so all right, that's enough on that guy for now. Oh, you know what? No, it's not. Let's look at the centering. Okay, like I figured anyway, centered, and that's a thick, thick plate stuff. Oh my god, look at that thing. I'm sorry, I'm geeking out here. Very happy. All right, that's a good redemption video from the last one because like I said, Bros Blade. Sorry about trashing you, but get your budget game up before if you want people to buy your higher end stuff. Anyways, I'm babbling. Thank you guys for watching. Like always, thank you to all my veteran brothers and sisters and my active duty guys out there. Keep safe. Duck down. Watch your six. We want you to come home. We love you, and thank you all for watching. See you next time.